You know, it's been a hot day. Time for some dinner and a very special dessert I think you're gonna love. Are you ready? Ha-ha! Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, we're going to do a special treat for chefing it up today. We are going to do a dessert. Now, I don't do a ton of desserts here, but every now and then I come up with a recipe that I think is absolutely fantastic and I want to share it with you, and today is that day. We are going to do a no-bake strawberry cheesecake. Ah, yeah. Something nice to have out on the road. You start it off early in the morning, you make it, you put it in the freezer, refrigerator, you let it chill all day, and then at the end of the day, when it comes to dinner time or dessert time, that's when you bust out the strawberry cheesecake. So first things first, we got to get everything assembled, starting with your cream cheese, which is the base of this dessert. Now, the first thing you want to do is soften your cream cheese. I'm using about 4 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to peel it out of here, put it into a bowl, and that's the base of this cheesecake. Now, to this, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, and it seems like a lot, but trust me, this is the perfect amount for what you're going to be doing. Next, you want to add in some vanilla, and you want to make sure that that gets in there, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And then you're going to add in some heavy whipping cream. I am using, again, a teaspoon, so 3 teaspoons of heavy whipping cream, and then you just want to mix. You want to mix it until you get to a nice consistency that you'll use for your cheesecake. The cheesecake filling is now basically done. What you want to do is you want to take a bowl like this. You want to take 3 to 4 vanilla wafer cookies, and you want to crush them up, and you want to put them to the base of this bowl, and then you're going to add in your cream cheese mixture, put it on top, pat it all down, and then put it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours, maybe even overnight. The cheesecake mixture is in the fridge. It is chilling, and it'll be there 4 or 5 hours before we pull it out and add the strawberries on top. Speaking of the strawberries, we are now going to take 2 strawberries, chop them up, put them in a pan with some butter and a little bit of water, and cook those down. And then we're going to take some fresh sliced strawberries and put them in at the end, take them off the heat, put them in a container, and store them in the refrigerator. We'll use those to top the cheesecake a little bit later. The extra strawberries are in. It is now time to turn off the heat, let that cool, and then put them in another container and then get them into the fridge. This is going to turn out to be a really great dessert. it's now just sit and wait time. Everything is in the refrigerator chilling. It's gonna be there for several hours, which will be nice. The cheesecake will get nice and firm. The strawberries will get chilled again, and then we'll pour everything on to the cheesecake and have that for dessert. Right now, it's just chill, wait, we'll have dinner, and then we'll have a slamming dessert. It is dinner time. Pork chops and a variation on applesauce and some asparagus. I know that all sounds great, but what you're really here for is dessert. So let's knock out dinner first and then get to it. Time to eat now so that we can get to our dessert. Dinner was great. It's now time to get to the real part of this meal. That's our strawberry cheesecake, no bake. That's what we're waiting for. We're gonna clean up, we're gonna put the strawberry cheesecake together, and then we're gonna taste it. The kitchen is now all cleaned up. Time to go into the fridge and pick out the cheesecake and the strawberries. The cheesecake looks great. It's been in the fridge for several hours. It's nice and firm. The strawberries are nice and cool as well. We're gonna put the strawberries on to the cheesecake and then sit down and have ourselves some dessert. And voila, there you have it. No bake strawberry cheesecake. I've got a little Pinot Grigio by Barefoot. Let's go ahead and dig into this. Okay, this now may be my favorite dessert I've made in the RV. It is absolutely fantastic. What's really nice, the strawberries, the cheesecake consistency is great, and then the crumble at the bottom with the vanilla wafers are absolutely spot on. Yeah, I probably should have made 2 of these. Anyway, I'll put a link down below on how you go about and make this a no-bake cheesecake. You can make it on the road, obviously here. You can also do it at home, but however you do it, I think you're gonna really enjoy it. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can always follow me on my website at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, have fun on the road. Remember, there's no need to eat poorly when you're on the road. And this is a great dessert to wrap up a beautiful meal. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.